Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help how to study for maths exam in one day. Start by listing high-weight topics, making a one-page formula sheet, and blocking time for 3 focus sessions with brief breaks. Use active recall with quick practice problems, prioritize errors, and review only solved examples. Keep hydrated, avoid cramming midnight, and do a short review right before the exam to boost confidence and calm nerves. Work through past papers under timed conditions to simulate exam pressure and reveal repeating question types. Mark problems you miss and redo them until you understand each mistake pattern. When you hit a wall, switch topics for a short period, then revisit with clearer thinking and improved speed. Use simple self-checks, explain answers out loud, and keep momentum by limiting time spent on any single hard problem. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like for more study tips. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes tidying effortless while you focus on studying, and it even navigates under desks where papers hide. It's a small time saver that frees up minutes for review. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Schedule short-spaced reviews every 2 hours to lock in key formulas and methods, and use the one-page sheet for quick refreshers. Teach solutions aloud to yourself to convert passive reading into active recall and spot gaps. Focus on common tricks and shortcuts that save time in the exam, and condense notes into clear steps you can scan quickly before entering the test room.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.